storm coming in. The RV won't start. Dude, what are we gonna do?
I finally got the spot.
Yo, check this out, man. He got a new motor coach, I think it's called.
Oh yeah.
It's an RV. But so he bought it, and then the RV spot that he wants to take it to in Cape, they were full when they said they weren't going to be, so he ended up buying the RV and didn't have his place to put it. But it's not even been like a week yet, or has it?
Nah, maybe right at it.
Maybe right at a week. And there's a spot that just opened up and he got the call, so we got to transport this about 30 miles. And yeah, we're just going to film the whole process.
We gotta see if we can get that working now. Come on. All right, we gotta turn this switch on right here. Somebody put that in off. Put it on the on now. Let's go try her now.
Why? What does that do?
That turns off. These are my house batteries, and that turns them on and off there, so it doesn't drain them. Let's see what they're at right now. 12.3. That's good, so they should be working.
So we can get electric now?
Mm-hmm. We can, but that's only DC. Now I do have it where I can plug it into the wall over there in the garage too. But I don't know what the water runs on. It might run on DC power. We'll see.
What the heck?
Nothing. All right. Let me go turn this water on. We'll see if we can fill up the tank a little bit.
So are we filling this tank all the way up or what?
We're just gonna do just enough to test the water out, because I don't want any more weight than what I need pulling on this RV.
All right, we're filling up the tank now. What is this, a 100-gallon tank?
Yeah, we got 100 gallons here. I think it's a 60-40 split. 60 for the gray water and 40 for the black. A little bit drained out, but you know what? I've already paid for the campground. We might as well just get it up there. That way I can get the tank filled and everything, because I don't want to put too much water in it here and drive it all the way 30 miles. So.
All right, we just we're gonna wrap everything up and then we're gonna hit the road. Ain't that right?
Oh yeah.
Running into a little problem. Can't get the beast started. What you doing in there? Make sure all the connections are good?
Yeah, make sure nothing's hot. But I'm going to take my leads and flip them over here to our other battery and see what the voltage is. 11.9. See what that does whenever I start it.
It goes down to like 10.
Yeah. See, that's what I'm saying. It's taking too much of a draw for that big motor to start. It's taking all the way down to 10. And
What if we put the booster on there?
that booster packer might work.
All right, go ahead and start her up. Hold on. I just seen smoke coming out of here.
I think these two batteries here don't have enough cold cranking amps to do it, so I'm gonna jumper both the batteries to get the most cold cranking amps, most amperage to start it. Once it starts, it's fine because it's not pulling anything on the batteries.
How are you gonna do that?
There's a button. There's actually a button I push in there, and that activates this switch right here, which, as you see, the two positives come up, and it branches those two together, so you don't have to do any kind of jumper cables or anything. You can just push a button. Yeah, check this out. See?
We got a bad connection, I think, right?
Yeah, so we're gonna pull that off there, clean that up, whatever. That way we get a good connection. See what that does for us. Yeah, see? Can't get a good connection like that. Like crap built up there. Same on this one. Yeah, we'll get those cleaned up.
All right, now that we have a way better connection, see if this will start. We're hoping so. Here we go. Dang it.
Those I got low voltage, like 11 or something.
Now let's try the battery. All right, so it still didn't start, but we're gonna go ahead and try it. Hook up the volts and see what we're running first. So we're only running 9.4 volts, 7
There.
9.3. All right, we're gonna try this jump pack one more time, because now we're losing volts.
Giving me a error. Okay.
We're gonna try the battery charger out this time.
All right, I got 10 volts now instead of 9. We got 11. We're climbing, dude.
And to make all the problems worse, there's a storm coming in. The RV won't start. Dude, what are we gonna do?
Oh no! All right, that was on 10 amps. We got it up to 12.1 volts. We're gonna kick her up to 50 amps, give her the max amps which we can, and we'll try to start her. So, let's get it. Yeah! Oh, yes! Woo!
Got it. We're gonna beat the storm. We gotta drive this thing 30 miles into the storm.
That's a big bad motor now, I'll tell you. She's gonna get her charged up though. We already got 13 on it.
Alrighty, folks. We'll see y'all on the road. Rain a little bit.
Yeah, dude, did you see those freaking lightning bolts?
I tried to get it on the camera, but I missed.
Dude, they were freaking out.
Well, we're here.
I'm gonna go double check my campground site, because she got me down for C, I want D, and I'll show you why. Here she is, y'all. Got her all leveled out. Still gotta do a few more things. The reason I would change to this site, let's look right here behind you. I can walk right out my front door, about 30, 40 feet. I fish for them bass, swamp donkeys.
Don't want to see the inside of this? Let us know. Once it gets settled in, we'll do a walkthrough video.
We'll do it.
So like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.